Hey guys, it's Hither Mann here. I just want to give you an update because I have been very absent from like this one-to-one YouTube video that I love doing. And actually, I'm actually dressed like this because I was doing a promotional video for one of our campaigns. So since I was here, I thought, hey, let me just give you guys an update. And I want to tell you what I have been up to, and more importantly, what's in the pipeline for you and what you should be doing with your money, your mindset, everything. So let's start talking. Hey guys, it's Hither Mann here from Fortune Academy, and I am here to help you retire richer and younger than any high-paid job on the planet. So let's get to it. Now, what have I been up to? Well, Fortune Academy and 2020 has been our biggest year yet. That means we've had the most amount of students, we've had the most amount of new joiners, like we've been booming. Business has been booming this year. And I know COVID has been bad for many other people, but that's because I have prepared for a financial crisis back in 2008. So, this is exactly why I created Fortune Academy, because I feel like everyone needs to know this kind of knowledge, how to make sure you're recession proof, how to not rely on government support, etc. Like you need to have your money game on point. So what we're going to be seeing a lot of shift from in Fortune Academy's approach in 2021 is that we're not just Forex, okay? So Forex was one of the first stepping stones to actually teaching you how to become financially free, because a long-term journey depends on how much money you've got, depends on how disciplined you are, and whether you can actually be coached. If you say yes to all of those things, as in yes, you've got money to start, yes, you've got discipline, and you are coachable, then you can actually go very far. And I've seen such an incredible amount of traders consistently provide results to Fortune Academy, like profitable month after month, every quarter for sure. So I want you guys to also join that. But you will see me now talking a lot about Forex is your cash cow. It's your money making machine. It is your money manager skill set. Like being a money manager of your own money means you never have to rely on a bank manager. You never have to rely on a hedge fund. You never have to be, one day you may be super wealthy, which I really hope. And what wealthy people do, because they don't know how to trade financial markets themselves, is they give their money to a bank or a fund manager, not just leaving it in the bank. Because the worst thing you can do is leave your cash in the bank. I mean, I'm sure you know this. If you don't, it's very important that you do know this. Cash in the bank is just depreciation happening every moment, every second, every year. So if you're planning a retirement, if you're planning savings for your family, for you, then you need to learn how to trade Forex. And I would put more money into Forex than I would crypto. Crypto is great, but it's still not fully safe yet enough to put a whole load of your money in, because the volatility is too high. So you can make lots of money, also lose a lot like overnight, whereas Forex is definitely not as volatile as crypto. So I'm always going to love Forex and crypto. I would say put more money in Forex versus crypto. If you don't have enough money in Forex, then this is where I actually give you money in Forex through the trading fund. You have to apply for that. You can't just get money. You have to be like actually approved by me, because many people are useless in terms of discipline and mental stamina. So if you haven't got that, I wouldn't let you in. And then last but not least, once you master Forex, you need to become a money-making machine in other areas. I'll be honest, Forex alone is boring, because what can you do? Like I trade my funds and I don't look at my screen, and I try very hard not to overtrade, because if I just had nothing else to do, I would overtrade and start losing money. So I'll do another video on that and how you should kind of figure out if you're overtrading or not. But the main thing is have businesses, do ventures. Like I love business. Business is my first love, and I'm always gonna shift your focus on making money through business. Trade it through Forex, you win. You're better than even a billionaire out there, because billionaires don't know how to trade Forex, not many of them anyway. So there you go, guys. That was a quick summary of what I'm doing. So next year, you're going to see me talk a lot about Fast Track Business, which is going to be our amazing platform from where you can learn how to make an online business better than Amazon, better than anything, I think. I mean, I've tried so many, and I know this thing makes more money with higher profit margins compared to anything I've seen. So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to make sure you get onto Fast Track Business, and then we're going to talk about the big money, the M&As, like the mergers and acquisitions, the IPOs. I'm going to just bypass the small stuff and go straight to the big, because I feel like if you get money from the big pie, then you're really going to find the rest of your journey easier. You can take money from the big pie and then fund all the other projects that were, in your head before. So there you go, guys. That was my insight. I just wanted to give you an update. This YouTube was just designed to be an update, so I hope you like that. Plus, I am going to promise and I have to, because I really want to put more videos out. I will just probably throw whatever I feel like is on my mind, so be prepared for random topics to come out, but that's what I'm going to be doing. And I really appreciate your patience, your persistence, and thank you for watching all the interviews I've had. I just try to throw in a variation of things, but I do want to get more one-on-ones like this, so me just talking and giving you some sort of insight in life and business and mindset, whatever. So thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed this update. If you've got suggestions on what you want me to cover, I can just comments please, and also like my video, subscribe to my channel, make sure you got the notifications on so you can tell when I have a new video released, and I promise they're going to be more frequent. I'm going to aim for at least 2 a week, so there you go, I've said it, I got to do it now. So thanks guys, thank you so much, see you soon, bye.